Article writing, can it help my online radio show? Question. I started an online talk radio show. I have the equipment set up and my guests lined up. But, how do I get listeners? I feel like I'm talking to myself. Signed, Talking to Myself. Dear Talking to Myself, first of all, congratulations. What a big step you took to start a show. You've got the equipment ready, the interviews lined up, and are ready to roll. I'm assuming you've already spent money on equipment, so you don't want to spend more on advertising. What's a frugal online radio host to do? Lucky for you, there are many ways to get traffic to your online radio show. One of my favorites is writing and sharing articles. If you're unfamiliar with this method of traffic generation, it's actually quite simple. In fact, it's working right now. You're reading an article that I've written and shared, and you can see at the bottom of the article, my author bio, where I get to share a little bit about me. If it's working for me, it can work for you, too. All you need to do is to find some topics, write effective articles with an author bio that works, and submit it to everyone who wants it. And repeat, repeat, repeat. Not only will you get traffic to your website, but you'll get more people inquiring about being guests on your show. And, if you sell advertising on your radio show, you'll get exposure to more potential advertisers as well. Article sharing is definitely a great way to get your name out into the cyber world. And, the best part is that every article you send out is working for you for years to come. One article won't likely get you a flood of traffic, but it'll give you an ongoing drip. 15 articles will get you a trickle, and so on. So, get writing and get your message out there. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.